Okay, getting a single product was real easy. Now let's complete the CRUD functionalities back on the admin side by making sure we can also edit and delete products. And for that, let's start with editing. First of all, getEditProduct should load a product. And because, as I explained in the last lecture, because we have find by ID by default, I can leave that code as it is. I can leave that code as it is, and I will get my product, and I should be loading that into my edit product page. So for that, I'll just need to go to the admin routes file, and there I should comment my get products route back in. I'll work on this in a second too. And also my edit product, get edit product route. I should comment that back in as well. Now, let me quickly work on that route where I load all products. That is also something we need, of course. We can find that here, get products. I mentioned fetch all does not exist, but find does. And find also already gives us the documents and not just a cursor. So we can leave that code as it is. And with that, if we save that, we won't be able to submit a change, but we should be able to see all products and to then click edit here, and it is populated with our data. So that is looking great. Now the next step is that we are able to click that update product button and that this works, of course. Now for that, let's work on the post edit product route in the admin controller. We extract all the data we require, which is of course great. And then here, we need to change that code a little bit. Instead of creating a new product and calling save, I will fetch a product. And I'll fetch a product by ID with the prod ID, add a then block. And in that then block, I know I have access to my product, right? To the product which was fetched from the database. The cool thing is, I can now move product save into my function here and call save on the product that was fetched from the database, because thanks to Mongoose, this will now not be a JavaScript object with the data, but we will have a full Mongoose object here with all the Mongoose methods like save. And if we call save on an existing object, it will not be saved as a new one, but the changes will be saved. So it will automatically do an update behind the scenes. The only thing I need to do is I need to set my fields. So I need to set product title to the updated title. I need to set product price to the updated price. I need to set product description, description to the updated description. And I need to set product image URL to the updated image URL. And thereafter I can call product save, and I can then return this and chain then here. So now I have a setup where I first of all find the product and I get back a full Mongoose object. Hence I can manipulate it and call save again. I return the result of that and then call then on that to redirect once the saving was done. Let's see if that works. If I save my code and I adjust the price, and let's say I add an exclamation mark after the title. If I now would click update product, I actually would fail because I need to comment in my route again. I just remembered. Here, I need to comment in that post edit product route. So make sure you comment that in and save your server-side code. You don't need to reload that page. You can now just click update product. And this is looking good. I can already see my changes here. So this seems to have worked. And I can also reload Compass. And of course, I see my changes there too. So this is how we can update with Mongoose. Again, very similar to how we did it with Sequelize, all through logic and through manipulating our data.